Yo, what up, guys? I got this key off Amazon for like, I don't know, less than 20 bucks. And I got it programmed. I see everyone on YouTube freaking putting it in and then going to start in the first position and then they bring it out and then they click, they hold on to the unlock and then they click this 3 times. I tried that and it wasn't working for me. So what I did, I got this key from the dealership and they told me to go ahead and flick it back and forth onto the last stage before it turns on, like the third position or whatever. And so I did that 5 times, turned it on like this, like when the lights come on. Did that 5 times, came out, held on to the unlock, and then I clicked it 3 times, and then it did its thing. It cycled through the buttons so you can hear all the gadgets turn on, whatever, all the little gears. But the original key starts on, turns on everything, but then this all I get. I don't know, it's not fully programmed or like what's going on, but flip the key and you can hear the locks. This is original. I mean, this is the Amazon key. I just unlocked my trunk, but see, keep you guys updated. I don't know. I just got back from the locksmith too, so maybe there's like a groove missing or something. I'm gonna take it back to them tomorrow and I'll call them up and see what's up. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or anything you guys can help me out with, that'd be grateful, man. Thank you guys.